Hi viewers, today we're looking at the make set function, which retrieves a string value from an array or range of values within the make set function. So first of all, we start by entering select and then control space, paging down to the make set function, tabbing on that, and then we're going to enter, let's say 2. We want to select the second value from the array of values, and then I'm going to put in a comma. Then I'm going to enter my array. So I'm going to say first of all, enter in apostrophe first, enter in rest as well, and put in a semicolon terminator at the end, and run that and see what it comes out with. And as you can see, it's come out with best. So best is the second value within the list of 3 values within the array. So if I enter 1 in here, it's going to come out with test. See, it's come out with test. And if I enter 3, it's going to come out with a third value within the array, and it's come out with, sorry, whoa, what's happened there? That's odd. Best as 3, comma, run that again. Oh wow, what if we enter 2? Put a comma in there, put in typing 3. What does that do? That is really odd. I believe you can only, this is based on having 2 sets of characters. So if you say in the make set, you can only have 2 strings. So you can have to select 1 as the first string, or select 2 as a second string, and if you enter 3, it selects both strings. And let's see what happens if you select 4. Just want to see what it does. It comes out with nothing. So yeah, so the make set function pulls out, you're only allowed to have 2 values in the array in the make set function, and yeah, so you can select the first value by typing 1 before the comma, or the second value in the array by typing 2 before the comma. And that's the make set function in MySQL Workbench.